Hey traders, I hope you all are doing well. So just have to record this video all over again because my mic was not connected and it's a pain in the ass now. So anyway, just wanted to show you this trade I have taken around 13 days ago, and I've sent this trade in my Telegram channel as if you follow me there. So this was a trade I've taken, but just wanted to show you that it's been 11 days since this trade is running, and this is a nasty pair because every time when I enter this pair, most of the time it takes really long to hit my take profit. So at this point, just wanted to show you that we are running in profit, and I did not exit my trade because this is what you need as a professional trader. Once you enter the trade, make sure you let it run until it hits your take profit or your stop loss. So at this point, you can see it is 132 pips in profit. So this is the big trade and we can expect some good profit out of it. It's still running, but do not enter at this point, guys, because it's almost really low and there's no point to jump into this trade. So just wanted to show you how you can control your psychology. This was a trade been running from quite a long now, and it was a roller coaster ride for me. It pushed down, then it pushed up, then it pushed down, pushed up near my stop loss, then pushed down again, came near my TP, and finally it's pushing down. So I'm hoping that it will hit my take profit. So with that being said, let's start our analysis with natural gas first. So what do we have? As you can see, the market pushed down, pushed up, and gave us a nice double top move, which I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. If you have seen that, I've also entered right here. As you can see, this red tick, it was my sell entry, and right here I've exited my trade. My take profit was hit, and let me show you what I've said in my yesterday's video so that we can connect it from there. Natural gas is in a downtrend. You can see we have a clear bearish engulfing candle here. This is a clear sell signal, selling pressure, and then you see the market pushed up, came back down, and now we are getting a double top action. So at this point, if we get this engulfing candle, that would be a good bearish signal. Once we have a bearish signal, we can take our targets accordingly using ATR. Awesome. So it did give us a nice reason to enter with this engulfing candle, as you can see, and market pushed down, hit over take profits. And with this trade, I've also alert my priority members that we can expect a double top move. Alerting priority members doesn't mean that I will send you a message every time when I see the entry. It's only on your request. If you asked me to check if we have a confirmed entry, then in that case I will say yeah, it is an entry or it is not an entry. And if you want to join my priority group, the links are in the description. From Buy Me a Coffee, you can join with a monthly subscription. With that, you will receive weekly zones reports like this, from where you can enter your trades as accurate as possible for the forex pairs. And with that, you get 3 to 4 trade alerts every week, the exact trades I am entering. And with that, I teach you how I enter this trade and what you need to look entry pattern. You will learn in my group. Again, guys, not a signal group, it is just more of educational group where you will learn more about trading. So now what to expect next from natural gas. As you can see, it did hit our green zone with this wick, but we did not get any sort of buying entry reason. Hitting our zones, our area of value doesn't mean that we need to buy straight away. Always look for a good confirmation. So at this point, we are in a downtrend. If we have a push up, let's say we have a push up, we have this 20 EMA resistance that will push the market down. And if we have broken above 20 EMA, then we have 50 EMA resistance. That is a very strong resistance because it is also aligning with our major level of resistance. So at this point, not buying, as we do not have a reason to enter. I still expect market to fall in this green zone. Once we are in this green zone, I will expect engulfers or a double bottom entry to take my long trade. So just wait for a good reason to enter this trade. You can check your entries on 1 hour and on 4 hour time frame as well. Let's check here on Oanda. On Oanda, as you can see, we did not hit our zone right here, but we did hit the zone on currency.com. But anyway, we did not have any entry reason at this point. Wait for the market to hit this green zone. Once we are in this green zone, we will look for a good buying confirmation like an engulfers or double bottom move. Once we have this move, I will update you guys as usual, and I will alert my priority members. We are still in a downtrend. Gas is still in a downtrend, so we are not entering a buy trade until we have a good reason to enter. Now let's check gold. At this point, what do we have? Gold hit the major level of support, and why this level is a good level to enter your buy trades. The first thing I'm looking at, the overbought situation, the oversold situation right here in the RSI. And if you look back on a daily time frame, here you can see the market pushed up from here, pushed up, pushed up, pushed up, and if you see, market pushed down. And even if you look left, this level has acted as a good level. Now at this point, what you need to look, if you look at 1 hour time frame, if you have this candle close above this previous red candle right here, then that will be your entry signal for a buy. Of course, if you're taking an entry on 1 hour time frame, you can expect smaller targets as well. At the ATR of this candle is 5, so you can expect your target $5 to $6 or around $6 to $7 push up. If you have a good reason to enter, then you can enter your trade using 1 ATR for your target on 4 hour time frame. If this candle turns into red candle and then we have another engulfing candle, then that will be your reason to enter your buy trades. Or if this candle closed as a green candle, then wait for the next red candle and then your green candle will be your buying signal. So look for a good reason to enter buy trades. We are now in a buying zone from where I look to take my counter trades. Let's check silver. Similar as gold, as you know, the gold and silver moves side by side, and at this point, as you can see, the silver is also in the major level of support. If you look back and see, this was a zone that has been respected in the past as a support and resistance, as you can see right here. So this is a good level to take your counter trades from. This is our area of value, and here you can see at this point, I want to see 4 hour time frame an engulfing candle or a double bottom move to take my long trades. Only enter with a good reason to enter, and on 1 hour time frame, we already have a close right here. This is your engulfing candle, and your target will look something like this. I expect market to hit 19.46. Like I said, guys, if you are trading on a smaller time frame, your take profit will be smaller as well. So this is what I'm looking for silver and similar as gold. Let's check crude oil. Right here we have a good fall out of crude oil, and as you can see on 1 hour time frame, we got this reason to enter, and looking at that, I'm expecting a bounce out of crude oil. Of course, not a big bounce because this condition is on 1 hour time frame, and looking at 4 hour time frame, we have a next red candle and then we have a good green candle that will be your buying signal on 4 hour time frame. So this is my area to take my long trades, which is 99.59, that goes down to 95.53. This is our counter trading zone. We have an overbought situation as well. Looking at that, I'm expecting a good bounce out of crude oil from here using our ATR as a target. So that's all for now. So that's all for commodity market, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.